Kunafa World, a Middle Eastern sweet dessert store. So let's go check it out. It has a goodies of pistachio, Nutella, and a special kind of a cheese and a saffron sugar syrup. Come join us. Looks delicious. Hi friends, we are at Kunafa World. So here we have classic kunafa. So according to the many old stories, kunafa has been invented in one of the cities in Damascus, in Syria, in around about 7th century. But we still don't know actually made this kunafa. So it's Turkish or Arabic. There has been still stories going on around. So further not waste time. So we have sugar syrup where we can see the golden color because of the saffron infused in it. And here we have some phylo pastry with cheese. It's a special kind of a cheese which melts inside, and we also have pistachio powder. So let's try. Wow, it automatically soaked in. The sound of the crunch of phylo pastry. Wow. It's amazing. cheese. It has complete flavor of pure milk. And the phylo pastry, I'm gonna show. It's coming off. It's coming off. It's not sticky. It's really coming off. It's crunchy. If you press it, it's falling off. And it's soaked in the purest form of ghee. So here we have a kunafa filled with cream, secret cream, and my favorite chocolate, Kit Kat. Also underneath we have the pistachio powder. Let's dig in. I want to have a bite of Kit Kat first. The crunch. Aha. The chocolatey, creamy, crunchy, the goodie of a sweet tooth. I'm gonna try to have it in a one bite. Amazing. I'm in a sweet heaven where I have cream, where I have crunchy pillows, where I have Kit Kat. Worth it. Amazing. So here we have assorted mini kunafa. You know, this Middle Eastern kunafa, this dessert, in modern times, there is a place called Nablus in Palestine. They have hold a Guinness World Record of making the largest kunafa. So it is desired all over the world. Here we have Nutella kunafa, some cashew nut pistachio kunafa, and cream filled and pistachio kunafa. So let me try the Nutella one, the cone. Amazing! I'm gonna try this cashew nut cream based kunafa. The nut is giving you a hint of saltiness with the cream and the sugar syrup. It's magic in the mouth. Awesome. Now I'm gonna try the mini kunafa. We'll add some sugar syrup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's like heaven in my plate. Having a sweet tooth, look at the dripping of sugar syrup. Oh my god. Loving it. A must-have kunafa. This assorted plate is a must-have. It's filled with pistachio. It's baked fresh hot. It's yummy. This is what you call a kunafa. When you miss Middle East or you miss having sweets, drop down in Kunafa World and have it. I've seen a tagline in this Kunafa World India store written, patience is the key to a lip-smacking kunafa. This absolutely goes well with Kunafa World. It's sweet, crunchy, delicious, nutty, amazing to have. Those who have sweet tooth, please do come here and have the classic sugar-based kunafa. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.